Hello friend, my name is Masgabu. Today I am going to show you a normalized different vegetation index, how we can calculate normalized different vegetation index. First, before going to calculate normalized different vegetation index, we have to know what is normalized different vegetation index means. Okay, a normalized different vegetation index means used to quantify vegetation greenness. Okay, that means let we see this first one. This is green plants. Let we calculate its value. Its value is nearest to 1 or 0.72. The second plant is, let we see, it is not completely green or it is not an healthy vegetation. So its values come to what? 0.14 or nearest to 0, means that it is not healthy vegetation. From this calculation, we understand that it is not completely green plants. Okay, so as whole, as whole, what we understand from this is normalized different vegetation index means it is used to identify whether a vegetation of an area is green or no, or from satellite image, if we see an area is completely green or densely vegetation or not vegetated area. So normalized different vegetation index is used as to identify whether an area is a vegetation or not. Okay, so we use it to identify a vegetation. Okay, it is useful to understand vegetation density. Okay, if an area is sparsely vegetated or it is densely vegetated by calculating satellite image index, we can identify whether an area is densely vegetated or no. Okay, in other way, we can assessing change in plant health. For example, let we take this. This is green plant, and this is not green or completely green, or it is not an healthy vegetation. We can say that, okay? Because by using what? By using this formula, we can understand this plant is green or not. This normalized different vegetation index use it as to uh, distinguish these differences. Okay, it is calculated as a ratio between red and near infrared values. Okay, in Landsat 7, a normalized different vegetation index can be calculated as band 4 minus band 3 over band 4 plus band 3. Okay, in Landsat 8, we can calculate normalized different vegetation index as band 5 minus band 4 over band 5 plus band 6. By using this formula, we can identify whether an area is vegetated area or not. Okay, let me see. It is calculation on ArcMap. Okay, to do calculate this, we have to land band 4 or band 5. We have to both of band 4 or band 5 in Landsat 8. My focus today is on band 5 or Landsat 8. That means band 5 and band 4 to identify. Band 5 means infrared and band 4 means red. Okay, by using this, we calculate the normalized different vegetation index today. Okay, in order to start, we start ArcTool. In ArcTool, we go to Map Algebra, under Map Algebra, Spatial Analyze, then Map Algebra, then Raster Calculator. Then click here and use float. Under that, band 5 minus band 4 divide float band 5 minus band 5 plus band 4. Okay, then run. You can save it for later. For now I use temporary. Okay, it is completed. Let I remove this. Remove. Okay, let we see our values. Our values should be between -1 and 1. So my result is minimum is 0.13 and the maximum is 0.6. Okay, this is almost vegetated area, and this may be land or something is okay, because we have to do identify going in field and what it represents around these areas. So let we classify our data or our result and see our data what it look like. Okay, we go to symbology and classify. Let I classify into 4. Classify. Let us say this is 0. This is 0.2, 0.4, and this is maximum. Okay, and let me give color for that. This is almost okay. This is land. So what we have to use from this, let me do this. This is someone green or shrubs. Okay, let we use for shrubs this. And this is I think especially forest, and this is almost green or forest. Let me say this is land. This is labeled as shrubs. This is labeled as especially forest. This is dense forest. Dense forest. Okay. Let me say apply. Okay. Okay, friend. This is dense forest. Okay, this is someone especially forest, and this is shrubs, and also land. Land, where it is? This is land. This is land. Okay. Land. So, friend, to identify reality, it is needed to check, field check. So, when we do it for research or some other purpose, we have to check it by go to the area, and we have to identify whether this is, as I said, it is densely forest or not, or especially forest or shrubs or land. We have to identify as such. For today, it is enough. I see you later. If you are new for my channel, please subscribe and share for your friends. Thank you.